Now I want to talk downloading and sharing files. For example, I made a logo, something like that. I designed it myself. I wouldn't use a template for logo, but let's say I did. Dog ink with a dog up there. We already know how to use these elements. Okay. Dog's foundation. Okay. That's my logo. And now I want to share it, but also download it. For that, I can click on the share button on the top right corner, share. And there I have different options. So at first I can click on this plus to add some people or just write their name in there. So the team name or the person's name or their email address, click on plus. And now I can search for something like my second mail if I have it in here. So, and invite this person via mail. Add a message like, hey, take a look at my logo, please. And he will get the access for edit, for commenting, or only for view. So he can edit it, he can only comment it, or he can only take a look at it, but make no changes. And I can also invite this person to the team after that. Click on send. All right. I can share the link, so anyone with the link can edit now or can view now, whatever, can edit, or only people that I have added. So for example, tobibecker1@hotmail.com, my second email address, he can now use this image with the link up here to edit it. If I say anyone with the link can, for example, view, copy it, then everybody with the link can view this logo like that and comment it with like these emojis down here. Okay. I can also use template links, which are pretty amazing because I can send this logo to somebody via link and he can edit it. So he can, for example, use this template link, click, which looks like that. So I see the template. I can use this as a template and change it for myself. But, which is interesting, the original one, so my design, won't be affected. And that's pretty amazing. That's the difference between a template link and the normal copy link. So template links are amazing. I can also present it, which is important for presentations, which is not important for logos, but I can present presentations here I made. So business presentation, for example, I can also present here. We will talk about it later. Present and record, which is pretty new. I can present it and start a recording. So there will be a screen recording while I present it. And there's the view only link. So I click on this and copy it. So people with this link have the access to the logo, but can only view it, which we already had. Okay, that's the sharing. We also have the ability to download the image, which is down here, download, click on this arrow, and now we can choose the type, so the file type, which is JPEG, which is PNG, which is PDF, PDF print, video, or GIF if you have some animations. I will use PNG if I have like a smaller if I want smaller data, so a smaller picture with lower resolution, I will take the JPEG, which is probably for blogs or other web things. PNG is for print. And then I have the options with the premium version, we will talk about it later, for updating the size, for making a transparent background, but also to compress the file. So you have the same file, but in a lower quality. Yeah, also is that for online activities where you don't want to have this big files, because it would make your website pretty slow. And save download settings, I can do it as well, so that I have always a PNG as the file type next time I download something. Then I click on this purple button, download, and it takes some time. And if if your download hasn't started text, then it mostly has started. If not, click here. And there's my design. I will open it. Perfect. And there's my logo, but it's just a logo with 500 pixels. So yeah, we would have to choose a bigger proportion to have a bigger or better logo quality. Okay, that's how to download a picture, that's how to share it. And to remind you, you can also click on this plus icon up here to share the design, also very quick. You don't have to click on share and use all these links and more. There are, for example, underneath the print option, more, where you can use some more share details, but also some possibilities for social. So connecting your Instagram, for example, to Canva and upload directly via Canva to Instagram, which is amazing. There's also the content planner, which you could use with the Pro version of Canva. Yeah, also a pretty cool thing. You could save it to Google Drive, Dropbox, PowerPoint, or use messaging via MailChimp, Slack, or use some other options for that. Okay, that's how to download your creation.